up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my beauty boxes for the month of January. So as always, I have my Ipsy Glam Bag, my Boxycharm base box, and my Diva Bag by Sonya. Without further ado, let's see what awesome things I got for the month of January. Okay guys, so as always, I'm going to start with my Ipsy Glam Bag. So here's the little bubble mailer. Let's see what fun stuff we got for the month of January. So I love the bag this month. I already saw it, but when I opened it up, the bag was already unzipped. I did make sure everything was in there, and it is. So here it is, you guys. I love this. How fun is this? It matches my headband for today. I love the fuzzy purple fur. Purple was my favorite color. I love the pop of yellow. I think it's greenish yellow. I don't know. And then the pink, and the clasp just has Ipsy on it this time. I think that this is just darling. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open and see what goodies they sent. Do they have? They don't. They don't have anything about what's in here, so let's just open it up and see what they sent. So they have Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. I guess it's a moisturizer. It says it's step 3. I don't know what other 2 steps you're supposed to take, but this is step 3 of this process. Yeah, I don't really have much more information on it, but this tiny little thing is 0.25 fluid ounces. So here you go, guys. I got this little Murad thing. We'll see if I, give that a try or give it away. I don't know. This is a face toner. It is Truffle Therapy by Skin & Co. So guys, I am not a face toner person. I will definitely probably most likely put this in a future giveaway because face toners just aren't my thing. This is 1 fluid ounces, okay? Next, I have something that's all bubble wrapped up. Let's see what it is here. It is Formula Z. It's a highlighter, mini highlighter. Okay. I do use highlighters, but I do also have a lot of highlighters right now. So whether or not I'll keep this one remains to be seen. All right, guys. We got a couple more things in here. So we have this mascara, M2U NYC mascara. I will definitely give this a go. And then we have an eyeliner pencil here. I'm having trouble reading the brand though, guys. Oh my goodness. I have no idea. Rebel Eye Definer Pencil. Rebel. Okay. Here's the brand, guys. I've never seen this brand before, and it's very hard to read. Oh, okay. Check it out, guys. I'm actually excited because, oh, look at that. That is going to be great. I'm actually really excited because I definitely need a new eye pencil. All right, guys. That wraps up the Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of January. Let's go ahead and jump into Boxycharm. I'll just move this stuff aside really quick, and we'll just pop right into the next one, right? This is the Boxycharm base box. And here it is for the month of January. All right, let's pop her open, you guys. Ooh, Boxycharm, so fresh and so clean. So here's the card for this month. And as always, guys, I didn't tally this up. Oh, I probably can't do it in my head either, but that's okay. So here's a sneak peek what we got in here. Let's go ahead and just start grabbing stuff. So Earth Harbor Nebula. Clarity Ampoule. I really don't know what this is used for, guys. Like, I have no idea. Let's find it on here because I really don't know. The answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin. Both a potent clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. Okay. So the value for this at 1 fluid ounce is $46. All right. There's that one. Then we have these Farah liquid eyeliner. I don't know about a liquid eyeliner, you guys. I don't do well with these. Honestly, I don't know. It is in black. It's very possible this will end up in a future giveaway. But let's have a look at it. Maybe. Okay, guys. I don't want to touch it. Yeah. Here it is, guys. There's the tip of it. I'm going to actually just, like this and not touch it because the chances of me keeping this are very, very slim. I don't do well with liquid. The eyeliner is valued at $20. Then we have this LCB Lovecraft Beauty. What is it? Oh, plasma gloss. So here it is in the little box here. Let's open this up, guys. Plasma gloss. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's sealed. Well, I'm probably going to use it. I guess I am now because I'm opening it. Ugh. Guys, why can't I get a hold of this foam stuff? Like, it's coming off in tiny little pieces. It's a little annoying. Oh my gosh, I just stuck my finger right here. It is, you guys. I just totally stuck my finger in it. And I'm not going to try to take any more off because obviously I'm having some serious difficulties here. But we can have a look at it. Oh. Let me get it out of my finger now. I don't know. You guys probably aren't going to see anything. I kind of put it right there, but yeah, there you go. You know, I think I tell you guys this every time. Every time I do something like that, I always wonder if I have things to wipe my hand off back here. Unfortunately, I do, because, you know, I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping the rest of this stuff, and I wouldn't want to get stuff all over it for you guys. So anyways, obviously that's for me, though. I would never give that to anyone. Well, I could give it to somebody in my family, but I wouldn't put it in a giveaway after I stuck my finger in it. Okay. Oh, I didn't give you the value for the $18 for that, what is it called? Plasma gloss. Now we have this Persona E-Balm. So we got gloss and E-Balm in the same, you know, the same box. So both things are for your lips, right? But whatever. I'm fine with that. Let's open it up, you guys. Ooh, okay. Here it is. I mean, I'm okay. I'm good with that, actually. So let's go ahead. Definitely happy to have that, and I'm definitely going to keep it for myself. So it's tinted lip balm, and the value is $22. Yikesers. Wonder Beauty. I love Wonder Beauty. Sweet Escape. So we obviously have a palette here. Now, most of the palettes I've gotten from them I've liked very much. Let's see if it's the same with this one. Why would it be different? I don't know. It might be. Might not be. We'll have to see. Okay. Oh, I hear the mailman. Watch, he's probably dropping off a box I need to unbox today. Oh, I got this. This thing doesn't want to come open, and I hate it when it does that. Okay. All right, guys. Woohoo! Wow, it's so pretty. You guys. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. I love purples. Purples are so pretty. Purple's my favorite color, but it also looks really nice on my skin tone. So I am super. I hope you guys are really getting this palette because it is so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. You guys, that palette is gorgeous. The palette is valued at 42 buckaroos. So what I will do is I will just tally all this up, and then I will just put the total here in the video. So I'll tally it all up after I turn the camera off and we'll go from there. I have not received my Diva Bag by Sonya yet, and as soon as I do, you're going to see me in a different outfit and all that stuff, and I'll unbox that one for you as well. So for now, I'm going to stop the video, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys, so now we're ready to jump into the Diva Bag by Sonya. This one is so super fun, you guys. This one is always my favorite because she usually puts some unique, different things in this box that you just don't see in the other beauty or lifestyle kind of boxes. So let's go ahead and jump into this one. And as you can see, guys, I love how she puts something super fun on the front of this. This time it says, hold on, I gotta look, to the glorious Amber Meeks. Guys, that is so super fun and low-key funny. The mailman knocked on my door to give me this package, and he made a point to put this package on top, you know, because I get boxes all the time. That shouldn't surprise anybody. And he's like pointing to this, you know, and I'm like, that's right. Very accurate. I just love how she does that. And he just cracks up at all the stuff that she puts. So guys, I do believe that I opened this up upside down. I don't know why I did that. So like, here's what I'm seeing right now. And I think this is supposed to be the bottom of the box. So we're going to start from the bottom up. Why not? Right? Okay. So this is a 2023, believe in yourself, trust your journey, and live in the moment ultimate planner. So this is a motivational kind of a planner. I really like this. I love this idea. I will try to use it. I always tell myself I'm going to use stuff like this, you guys, and then I pull it out and I start doing it, and it just kind of fades off because my life is so incredibly busy, but it's okay. We're going to, ooh, what? Oh, girl. Oh, I see why this was towards the bottom. The opening, like, it's going to get less exciting as it goes, you guys. But this is so cute. Guys, look Is that not me? Oh my gosh, is that not me with the little feather and stuff? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Stop it. I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh, see what I'm saying, you guys? This is stuff. Here's the chain, you guys. Here's the chain for it. This is stuff that you cannot get or don't get in other beauty boxes or lifestyle boxes. This is more of a lifestyle box, but oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. I love it. I love it. Sonya girl, you always kill it. Okay, ooh, tempting trend beauty. Do I have this? I might have this palette, you guys. If I have this palette, then I will totally give it away to somebody. I don't know, you know, I don't know who will win, but I do believe I have this palette. Yes, you guys, I do. I have this one. It's a great palette. I think it's fabulous. Here's the colors. I love it. I think it's a beautiful palette, but I do already have it, and I for sure don't need two of them. So you guys are going to see this in a future giveaway, okay? But I do love the palette. I've used it quite a bit. I think it's a great palette. I just already have it. Did I say I already have it yet? Because I already have it. All right. Ooh, we got some is that what these are? Little, what are these, guys? I mean, I thought they were just eye patches. I think that's what they are here. Can you guys see them? I don't know if you guys are going to see them. So let me take it out. I think they're just regular eye patches, right? They don't say anything on them. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what they are, you guys. I think they're just, right? I mean, yeah, right? Okay. I think that's what they are. It doesn't say. So, you know, we're just going to go with that's what they are. Oh, what does it say? Mary Kay, for the women whose influence will be felt forever. Spread your light in the world. Okay. So what do we do here? Warmth and confidence is the, what is it? Ooh, it's a perfume. But why is it like this? It looks, it's a lotion maybe. A lotion sample? It's definitely a perfumey smell. I'm going to give this to my girl, Kim. So here's what the thing that she put with it says. Okay, guys, I just can't do this kind of stuff. It's just not for me. I have worn the same body spray forever, and it's Body Fantasies Cotton Candy. And I've said this many times. If they stop making it, I honestly will probably just stink for the rest of my life. But this doesn't smell bad. It's just definitely not for me. Okay. So what else do we have? Oh, and then here's this, you guys. So you know I'm not going to pull this out. I can smell it through the thing, and it doesn't smell terrible. It doesn't smell terrible at all. It's just not for me. I'm going to give this to my girl, Kim. Okay. So, oh, here's the card. Here's the card that goes with this. We'll set that aside now that I've already dove into all this. What is this? What does this go to? Time-wise body. Ooh. I got a full thing, you guys. A full size. It's cellulite cream. Oh, who couldn't use cellulite cream? I mean, you know, unless you're super rich and you can afford to have it removed or whatever. But yes. I mean, yes, please. I am totally super excited. It looks like there's something fuzzy that, oh, you know what? It might have been from the purse. I bet you it was the little hairs from the purse. Anyways, I am super excited because it's a full-size product. I'm really excited to have this. So I'm assuming that I can use this, you know, all over my body. Because, you know, most people need it, you know, in the buttocks area. So, yeah, I'm really happy to have this, you guys. And then it's a little instructional thing on it. Oh, that's so... Oh, this is cute. I wear these kind of clips. I actually just took a clip like this out of my hair literally right before I filmed. Because I think it looks better on camera with my hair a little bit fuller. And I had it clipped back and I just didn't like the way it looked. But this is really cute. So happy to have that as well. Like I told you guys, it's going to get less exciting as it goes down because I started at the bottom. I'm just saying. All right. So then I have these Lindor truffles. Always happy to have this stuff, you guys. The only thing I hate when she puts this stuff in here is that it honestly makes me want to go out and buy the full thing. And I usually do that. So it's like good but bad. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I have some little fuzzies from the purse on here, but this is the final thing in here. She likes to put a shirt, or sometimes it's a dress or something that you can wear in these boxes, guys. This one is only $25 a month plus shipping and handling. Comes out to $30 for me, so I think it's 100% worth it. All right, let's get into this. Oh, this is so funny. And she sends me big sizes because I told her to send me the bigger sizes because I like to DIY with this stuff. So you know what, maybe I will DIY with this for this Friday. I haven't done my DIY yet, but I will have it done for you guys. I promise. Anyways, this says New Year, same hot mess. Ain't that the truth, people? I just spit everywhere. Ain't that the truth? That is so totally me. It's a new year, but I am the same hot mess that I always am, you guys. This is so cute. And I could totally do something really fun with this, I think. And you know what? The purse goes with it. So maybe what I can do is a DIY where I kind of dress this up, because it has like this black shimmer to it. You see the black shimmer? I hope you guys are getting the black shimmer. And then the purse also has a nice shimmer. So you put the two together. I mean, to some people it might be a hot mess. To me, it might be super cute. So maybe, no promises. This may be the DIY for this Friday. We'll have to see. All right, guys. Hands down, Diva Bag by Sonya wins this one for me. I mean, I literally loved everything in this bag or box except the perfume. I don't do perfumes. But other than that, I think this is great. I'm really excited to try the cellulite stuff. And if it works, I can buy more from Sonya because she sells Mary Kay. I hope it works, you guys. I really do. I'll definitely have to let you guys know if it works or not. I'm not going to show you like a before and after. We're not going to go that far. I'll just tell you my thoughts on if it works or not, okay? All right, guys, as always, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Did you like my Ipsy Glam Bag, my Boxycharm, or my Diva Bag by Sonya? I think I have decided that I will keep the Ipsy Glam Bag in my rotation for this year. It's going to renew in March, and I was kind of on the fence whether or not I was going to cancel it. They've been sending me such really cool stuff that I think it's worth it to keep it for another year at least. We'll see how it goes because I pay yearly. So it's going to renew for me in March, and I think they said it's $143 for the year. So, yeah. We'll see how that goes. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, guys, so I finally received my Diva Bag by Sonya. No. Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the Diva Bag by Sonya. This is one of my favorites. You guys know that literally every single time I do these videos, this one wins for me because I just think it's such an awesome box. Okay. Okay, guys, so now we're ready to jump into the Diva Bag by Sonya. This one, I get it super late in the month, so that's why I decided to do... No, let's not do that, okay? Okay, guys, so now we're ready for the Diva Bag by Sonya. This one's always my favorite. For me, it wins every single time I do these comparison videos, but, you know, whatever. At any rate, let's go ahead and jump into this one, and I can show you guys on the... Piece of my hair. Try that again. Okay, guys, so now we're ready to... What?